Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to fix Firestick buffering problem, so your search ends here. After watching this video, you can easily fix buffering on your Firestick, only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. Please note, there could be several reasons why you are experiencing buffering problems while streaming on your Amazon Firestick TV. Your Firestick may be buffering due to a slow internet connection, problems with the stream, or an issue with the Firestick itself. You may also be experiencing problems due to bandwidth throttling by your internet service provider. First of all, check your internet speed. Try a lower video quality if your internet speed is slow. If you are not able to diagnose real issue, then Method 1. Reboot your Firestick. Rebooting or restart a Firestick can solve many issues, including buffering. Method 2. Uninstall unnecessary apps. If your device has a lot of apps installed, this adds to the demand on the device's software and slows down its overall performance. First, select Settings on the home menu. Then select Applications. Next, select Manage installed applications. Here you can see how much internal storage you have left. Then select an app. Here, you will see details about the app, such as the app size and cache data information. Next, select Uninstall. Finally, click Uninstall again to confirm. You can repeat this process to uninstall any other unnecessary apps. This method will increase your Firestick performance and buffering problem will automatic resolve. If you still facing buffering problem, then try method 3. First, select Settings on the home menu. Then select Applications. Next, select Manage installed applications. Here you can see how much internal storage you have left. Then select an app. Here, you will see details about the app, such as the app size and cache data information. Finally, choose either Clear Data or Clear Cache. If you choose Clear Cache, this will just clear the cache and keep the rest of your information and settings. If you choose Clear Data, this will reset the app to factory defaults and clear all the app-related data, including your login information. Last method. Turn off Collect App Usage. Your Firestick collects data from all applications on your device. Also, many apps use background connections while you are streaming content. Turning these features off can help with your buffering issues. First, select Settings on the home menu. Then select Preferences. Next, select Privacy Settings. Finally, select Collect App Usage Data and turn it off. Last method. Turn off data monitoring. First, select Settings on the home menu. Then select Preferences. Next, select Data Monitoring. Finally, turn data monitoring off. Only by using this method you can easily stop Firestick buffering problem. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.